So, dear friend, now I am going to tell you heading conservative force is negative of gradient of potential energy. Actually, when we apply force on a body and displace it from one point to another, if velocity of body does not increase, then the burden appears in the form of potential energy. So here I am starting, let a body is under the action of a conservative force. F, conservative force, at a certain point say at x equal to x0, means at origin इसको कोई भी, this conservative force I told is that force by which work done does not depend on path followed. Work done by this or work done by against this force does not depend on path followed. This force may be variable, may be constant. Maybe I told you gravitational force is conservative force, but as we move away from a surface, gravitational force decreases. But that decrease becomes significant only when distances are very large. If you weigh yourself on ground floor and then top floor of a 5 or 6 story building, you will find no change in your weight because distance is small with respect to radius work. So here let a body is under the action of conservative force F at certain point, say x is equal to 0. Now if the body be displaced by applying an external force which is equal in magnitude and opposite to the conservative force, then work done by external force work done by then the work done by applied force is given by W is equal to integration s equal to 0 to x f dx, f external dx. but F external is equal to minus F, but F external is minus F restoring force, oh, conservative force. Student, while learning this topic may get confused what I am writing. Gravitational force act vertical downward. We are lifting it upward. So our force applied is external force, and that always equal to gravitational force. Right? So speed remain constant. If there will be net unbalanced force, there will be acceleration. तो हमने कहा F external is equal to minus F. So net force zero. So net no acceleration, no increase in velocity, and no increase in velocity means no increase in kinetic energy. Only potential energy will increase. है ना भाई? And this work done appears in the form, appears as the change in potential energy. So W equal to Ux minus U0. Okay. I should say X0. So Ux minus Ux0 is equal to minus X0 to X F dx. क्योंकि F external is equal to minus F. It is convenient to choose potential energy B0 at certain reference point, means where the force does not act. We take that as zero potential energy. Conveniently, it can be, it is convenient here. Yeah, it is easy here to take Ux0 equal to 0. Potential energy here, this is change in energy. So it can be taken 0 at certain point, and then you can write Ux is equal to minus F dx. You may be thinking why X is written here. Why I have written suffix X? If I write simply U and I write Ux, so what is the difference? This indicates that potential energy U does not depend on position, and this indicates potential energy depend on position, and always it depend on position. By definition, mechanical energy, potential energy is the which possessed by position, due to position. Potential energy of body is the energy possessed due to position. Now, if we differentiate mathematics, we will learn differentiating. This is called integration. I have told you many times. Differentiating this equation we get F is equal to minus du over dx. This is very important to learn, dear students. Here, in many exams, I have seen questions on conservative force and its relation with potential energy. Work done basically W integration f dx f0 to x कुछ भी होता है x0 में भी इंफिनिटी डेल देखो du x का मतलब क्या है u x माइनस x0 force is positive right hand side negative है left hand side should be positive so for to be it positive ux should be less than x0 only then minus minus plus so here we can say that conservative force is negative of gradient of potential energy. You can say here conservative force, hence conservative force is negative of the gradient of potential energy. Don't get confused. Potential energy is the energy possessed by a body due to its configuration or position. So here I am thinking position only. Configuration also is I can say because in the case of potential energy it is due to some force, maybe gravitational, maybe electrical, maybe magnetic. Wherever some force acts and body is displayed without increasing velocity, then that work done obtains the form of potential energy. Here we can conclude that positive work done by conservative force decreases the potential energy. How? By here f dx is equal to minus delta u है, du है, minus तो u delta u minus u अगर u2 minus u1 तो u2 लेस होगा तो फिर पॉजिटिव होगा ना. If work done positive, then potential energy will decrease. This is very important to learn. Positive work done on a body decreases its potential energy, and negative work done by conservative force raises potential energy. For example, if I lift a body up, gravitational force acting downward with the conservative force, so work done is negative with respect to gravitational force. And we are increasing as we move away, potential energy increases. We will learn more about potential energy while learning the chapter of gravitation. So this was something about, this is actually in our syllabus. This topic is mentioned as optional. If you will get in board exam, if you will get question on this, you will get an alternate question. But in competitive exam, such questions are asked compulsorily. So learn it carefully. In coming video, I will try some numericals from the NCERT book, and then I will tell you about collisions. Thank you.